Hi everyone, my name is Tom Cocchi. I'm a graduate of the class of 2013 from St. Vincent College, and I'm here today to talk to you about a question regarding what times that I've used my resume outside of applying for a job, and also why it's important to keep your resume updated. I've used my resume multiple times other than applying for jobs, particularly in the professional community which I work in Pittsburgh. I am an attorney and I'm part of multiple bar associations as part of my practice. And whenever I apply for membership in certain bar associations or to be part of certain organizations within the bar, I often use my resume as part of that application process, and often it's required. You'll find that in addition to professional associations, nonprofit associations and charities that you will want to get involved with will ask for your resume as sort of a shortcut way to answer the question of tell me about yourself. Your resume will tell them where you work, where you went to school, and may give them hints as to people you may know within the organization who are there already, or even just tell them whether or not you may bring a new skill set to the table that they don't already have represented either on their board or within their organization. So those things are really important uh, ways that you might use your resume after you graduate, other than applying for a job. So it's important to keep your resume updated because you want to have your most recent set of skills on your resume. You want to have not only your education once you do graduate, uh, but your updated employment history if you were to change jobs or take on new responsibilities at your current job. You want the people who are looking at your resume to understand, hey, here's the set of skills I have, here's the set of skills I'm developing, here are the things I do in my day-to-day work. And when those things change, you want to make sure that your resume reflects that. In my practice, I've handled various different types of cases, uh, starting from when I graduated law school in 2016 through today. Now, recording this in 2020, I've done everything from plaintiff's personal injury cases to workers' comp matters to complex multi-defendant toxic tort cases. So those cases are very different, and I've developed a different set of skills in handling those things as I've progressed in my career. And I want people who see my resume to understand that I've developed those different set of skills, and but also to understand that I haven't handled a workers' comp case in a year and a half. So those things are important for people who see your resume to know, and also for you to keep a sort of running tally of what's happening with your career. I keep a folder or a file rather on my computer that I call a CV. It's not necessarily exactly that, but I put everything on it that I've done dating back to high school, through college, through law school, now into my career. Everything is on that document. And then when I need a resume for a particular purpose, I create a separate file from that file that I pare down to to fit whatever purpose I'm using it for, whether it's applying to be on the board of a nonprofit or applying to be involved in the bar association or in other ways that I may use it uh, outside of applying for jobs. So I hope that was helpful, and I hope that you all have a sense of what you may use a resume for other than applying for a job in the future. Good luck.